XRP, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And again, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, we have been looking for reversal since the price was here, and this is what we get. Then we mentioned we're looking for the daily correction, but the way the price drop is quite sharp. All right. Even if you want to look for daily correction, we have to wait because we prefer to price consolidate here for longer time as a corrective move, not the sharp, before we look for the next trade. But by the way, what we are looking for, we want to see whether we can expect this one turn to daily correction and whether we can look for the next trade as a buy or not. Because you mentioned we're looking for buy, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And with the breakout of 1.42, at least we're looking for 1.65 following by 2. Again, for this year, I'm looking for the XRP because if the XRP could solve the issue with the SEC, easily we can see the price to break the all-time high. By the way, again, we were not expected the price drop as sharp as what we can see here. And still, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. If the price reverses a corrective move, similar to what I draw here, similar to what we had here, simply we can expect for the next drop. All right. That's why we have to wait for proper trade setup, mostly based on lower time frame, or if the price consolidate here for longer time, it can give us better confirmation to look for trade even based on daily chart. And if I move to forward chart, how deep this one can go, simply we can expect the price drop to 73 following by 68 cents before we see the next reversal. And the targets, if we get any opportunity for buy as a short term based on lower time frame, we can look for 1.02 following by 1.15 as the short term targets. And based on forward chart, we don't have any information or any trade either for buy or sell. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. All right. Now, because indicators, one of them doesn't show us a divergence, the another one showing us a divergence, that means we cannot rely on that. And if we want to look for trade for buy, having a trade above this, I won't suggest it unless we see the sharp move flag. This is where we can look for next trade as a buy by having a stop loss below this. All right. And the reasons we don't want to having trade above this, simply we can expect the price tag this one turn to a correction for the next drop. If we get one more drop with the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, for example, if the price tag 73, then having a trade above this can be an option. Again, it depends on the strategy the traders they use, but this is how we can look for buy at this point, the simplest way. All right. And we have nothing else to discuss. And in this case, we just follow the chart. And what I want to highlight here that any sell is a short term, but as a long term, we're looking for buy, but we have to wait for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade. And in this case, again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.